All right, for this lesson, you are going to read a story about the water cycle. And while you read it, I want you to think about creating mental images. So think about words that talk about what you see, what you hear, what you touch, smell, taste. Even if it doesn't say it directly, think about what it's telling you and then what you might see in that place or around there. It'll help you understand the facts and the key ideas, okay? Because it's an informational text. So we got places, dates, people, events, processes. It can deepen your understanding of the text. So, for example, when I read and it says, water covers about 71% of Earth's surface, makes up all the planet's oceans, lakes, rain, clouds, and glaciers. I picture blue water, these vast big oceans, swirling white clouds, frozen glaciers. We've talked about all the water that's on Earth, so start to bring up some of those images. However, talks about the hydrologic cycle is the process by which water circulates throughout Earth and its atmosphere. So I'm picture water moving in a circle, evaporating, condensing in the clouds, precipitating. It even has a picture down here to help us picture it. You have seen other pictures of the water cycle. The hydrologic cycle is just another word for the water cycle. Okay. Or another example, we have the Amazon River Basin gets around 2.3 meters of rainfall a year. The Sahara Desert, on the other hand, gets about 10 centimeters or 4 inches of rainfall a year. So we have this difference between this large river, a thick rainforest, many plants, animals, and people, versus lots of sand, hot sun, no rain, no animals, plants, or people. So this contrast between those mental images can deepen our understanding and help us to make connections to the text and understand it better. All right. So while you read, I want you to underline 3 key details. It could be places where you are picturing some sort of mental image, or just details that seem to be important and lead you towards the main idea. So make sure you do that, and then name 2 ways that humans affect the water cycle. So if you take a look, this paragraph here starts out, humans can affect the water cycle. So you can bet that you're going to find some ways in there that humans affect the water cycle. Take a read. Let me know if you have questions. Good luck.